of the future. We're beneath the building that is specially designed to withstand a major earthquake. This is the underground of the Emergency Management Operations Center for the City of LA. USGS seismologists say this structure is considered the safest building in all of Los Angeles in the event of a quake. It uses cutting-edge technology seen in many of Japan's tallest towers, particularly Tokyo, which is earthquake-prone like LA. Currently, just a few buildings in Los Angeles house this innovative science.
What you have here, you're seeing an example of some of the systems that can be used in these buildings. This is a friction pendulum-based isolation system. What this does is, you see it's tied to the building, but also these pillars go 30 to 40 feet to the bedrock. So when the ground shaking starts, when the earthquake develops, these are going to cause some movement. What it does is it absorbs that movement and it allows this building to maintain its integrity. So basically there's bearings and pendulums inside of this that when you have that ground shaking, it actually absorbs that. Remember, we do have different faults in Los Angeles, so you could get a lateral type movement, which this isolator can handle, but we also have vertical movements. And we do have different isolators that you can notice here, which would handle that type of movement as well. Picture a vehicle. You're driving on a rough road, right? You really don't feel that too much because the shock absorbers, and picture a skyscraper, the same thing.
Ibsen says this is kind of like a floating building suspended in air. Nothing makes contact with the ground.
You're looking at the plumbing is suspended, the heating and air system is suspended, the stairwell is suspended, the electrical cabling is suspended. You're going to see that in these large skyscrapers. Everything will be suspended and there's no attachment to the ground at all.
I'm just amazed by what the structural engineers are able to do, learning from the global experience of earthquakes all over the world and making buildings better and better, advancing the code, learning from the experience of one earthquake after another what kinds of things can go wrong, what have gone wrong.